Yo YouTube, what up? Zachy25 here. Got a box of Exquisite Rookie. Shout out to everybody in the blog room. Andy Sam 400, Chill Rays, Body Lover 909, Ray Rock 55, and Superman 12DH1. Everybody go sub to them. Okay guys, here we go. Exquisite Rookies Baseball. Look at the seals. They're all screwed up. Look, this one's already like broken into. Yep. That's fine.
Maybe you got robbed.
Yeah, there's no pack in there, you know. Didn't exactly cut it. And I just cut myself, I think. Okay, you know what? It's getting annoying. There goes that. Okay, you guys. Here we go. There we go. Rip it off. Yeah, whatever. You had to refresh. Wow, like every single card in there is thick and they just all freaking fell out. I'm not even kidding. That sucks. So here we go. Base card out of 99. Hideki Matsui. Wait, show blog. Don't worry, none of them are damaged. I just checked. Now for the Marlins, out of 235, a Rick Vandenherk. No idea in the world who that is. Boo Yankees. Yes, exactly. This, my friends, is a nice looking card, I'll tell you that. A Homer Bailey Phil Hughes dual autograph, 20 out of 35. And I just saw the next freaking card, you guys. This is bull freaking crap. Remember my last box? The quad, yeah. Josh Fields, freaking quad jersey autograph at a 99 again. It sucks. This is a nice card though. A Russell Martin, Kurt Suzuki dual autograph. Okay, you're in the 20 out of 20. That is a very nice card. No, he has a shirt on, or he doesn't have a shirt. He has pants on. So there's that. And here we go. And finally, an Exquisite Endorsements. This is very nice. Hanley Ramirez autograph out of 15. That, my friends, is nice. Nice card right there. So all of these are for sale or trade right now. We have Upper Deck Premier Football coming up next, you guys, okay? That's it. Peace.